Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so this is going to be a quick video, guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform a factory reset on the Honor 9X. Okay, so there's a few reasons why you might want to perform a factory reset. Maybe you're having problems with the phone. Sometimes a factory reset can help to fix the issues, what you might be facing. Another thing is maybe you've done a recent upgrade, you've got yourself a better phone, so you want to give this device away to a family member or maybe a friend. Well, if that's the case, I highly recommend performing a factory reset before you actually give it away. Or maybe you just want to sell the device on. So, like I said, I highly recommend doing a factory reset. This will just remove all your account details, all your personal information, like banking details, all your social media accounts and all that stuff. Also beware that this will also wipe the device totally clean. So all your important pictures, videos, telephone numbers, things of that nature, just make sure you back it up first to either a PC or a thumb drive. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to show you how to do the factory reset. So it's real simple to do. Just pull down the notifications here and go into settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says system, and then you will see the reset option here. Okay, so if you've made some adjustments to some of your settings, if you're keeping the device and you've made some adjustments to some of your settings and you don't know how to remove those adjustments and you want to put those adjustments back to their default settings, you can just select this option here to reset all settings. If you want to reset your network settings, like your Wi-Fi settings, you're going to select this option here, reset network settings. And if you want to actually reset the phone itself, like I says, to remove all your personal information, all your banking details, and wipe the phone totally clean, you're going to select this option here, reset phone. And as you can see here, you get this little message. This will erase data from your device, including your accounts, app data and system settings, installed apps, music, photos, all files on the internal storage. So once you've made up your mind that you want to really go ahead and proceed with this, you're going to select reset phone. And once again, it just explains to you that resetting your device will erase all system data, installed apps, your personal files such as music, photos will be permanently deleted. This cannot be undone. So here you get an option to do a backup or reset the phone. So like I said, if you want to proceed with this, you're just going to select reset phone. And now it's erasing and it will restart. And now it's just performing the factory reset. Reset successful. This device will restart. Okay, so if you're planning on keeping the device from here, you can just go through the whole setup process again. If you're giving the device away or you're selling it on, just hold down the power button and then just power off. And then you can put the device back in its box and you can sell it on or give it away to whoever you're giving it away to. But yeah guys, this is just my video showing you how to do a factory reset on the Honor 9X. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.